Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is the Snapchat Plus reply again option and how to use that. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So what it is for the Snapchat Plus subscriber. You can reply to any snap twice after viewing it. Okay. First of all, you have to press and hold into the friend's right after you view the snap, then you have to tap on the snap right away and see it again. If you want to reply, and you can reply, hold and press at the same time and again. Note, if you leave the chat before replying, you wouldn't able to reply it again. Okay, so by this way you can do it and how it does work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.